Hi, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Crypto 101. I'm Coach Gill, and today we're going to be talking about tokens, tokenization, and blockchain layers 1 and 2. So let's get to it. Today we're going to be talking about what are tokens and tokenization. Next, we'll define layer 1 versus layer 2 blockchains. And afterwards, well, for the next two segments, we're going to talk about layer 1 blockchains and layer 2 blockchains using examples of tokens that do have the potential for massive growth in 2025. Lastly, we'll cover why these projects matter. Let's start with tokens. In the simplest terms, a token is a digital asset created on a blockchain. Tokens can represent a wide variety of things, such as a unit of cryptocurrency, such as ETH on the Ethereum blockchain, an asset like real estate, art, or stock shares in a company, and access rights to a specific service or platform. On the other hand, tokenization is converting the ownership rights of a real-world asset into a digital token that lives on a blockchain. This process has immense potential as it enables fractional ownership, improved liquidity, and easier asset transfer. So to summarize things as simply as I can, here are the types of tokens, which I did touch on in the last slide. One is payment. So we use these to complete transactions anywhere crypto is accepted. Next is utility. These tokens have a specific use within a blockchain. Security. Tokens are backed by securities. NFTs authenticates ownership of specific assets. And lastly, gaming. These are used as in-game currency and traded with real-world value. Now we'll move on to layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains. This is a critical concept in understanding the infrastructure of cryptocurrencies. So, layer 1 blockchains are the base layer of a blockchain network, also known as the foundational blockchain. They are responsible for processing and recording transactions, maintaining network security, and supporting decentralized applications. Examples of these are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Layer 2 solutions are built on top of layer 1 blockchains to enhance their scalability and efficiency. Layer 2 solutions process transactions off-chain and then settle them on the layer 1 network. This reduces congestion and fees. Examples include Polygon for Ethereum and the Lightning Network for Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about some real-world examples of promising L1s and L2 projects. These are projects that I think will have a real future and will generate a lot of activity over 2025. But I want to caution you on one thing. Yes, these are my opinions, but you must always do research before investing in any token. Do not take my word for it. You must do the research yourself. If this is a project you believe in, then you move forward. So let's get to it. Near Protocol. This is a layer 1 blockchain designed to be user-friendly and developer-friendly. It focuses on building decentralized applications and aims to overcome limitations such as low transaction speeds, high fees, and complex user experiences. And here are some key features. Nightshade sharding. This splits the blockchain into smaller pieces, allowing for faster and more efficient transaction processing. human readable account names. This will be replacing long, complex wallet addresses with simple names. And a focus on AI is key in what makes Near very promising as it's exploring user-owned AI tools and applications. The next token is Solana. This is a high performance layer 1 blockchain designed for speed and low fees. It's an independent blockchain that's built from the ground up to process transactions rapidly using its unique proof of history mechanism. The key features are high throughput. This means it's processing thousands of transactions per second. Low fees, which are ideal for both developers and users. And lastly, decentralized infrastructure. This aims to scale without sacrificing security or decentralization. And finally, there's Polkadot. Polkadot enables interoperability between blockchains, creating a decentralized ecosystem where different blockchains can share information seamlessly. Some of its key features are a relay chain, handling network security and cross-chain communication. Parachains, which are custom application-specific blockchains that connect to the relay chain. And lastly, shared security. This enhances the network's overall safety. Moving on to layer 2 examples, we have Arbitrum, which is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. It enhances scalability and reduces fees without compromising security. Its key features are optimistic rollups, which bundles multiple transactions off-chain and submits them to Ethereum for finalization. Ethereum compatibility. This is key. It supports all Ethereum smart contracts and dApps. Lastly, low cost. It significantly reduces transaction fees compared to Layer 1 Ethereum. Next, I have Polygon. Polygon is another leading L2 scaling solution for Ethereum. It provides developers with a framework to build and connect Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Its key features are side chains. These process transactions off-chain while retaining Ethereum security. EVM compatibility. It easily integrates existing Ethereum dApps. Lastly, high scalability. Handles large volumes of transactions efficiently. And the last token is the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network is an L2 scaling solution for Bitcoin, designed to facilitate faster and cheaper transactions. Its key features include micropayments, which enables instant transactions for small amounts of Bitcoin. Off-chain processing. This reduces congestion on the Bitcoin blockchain. And lastly, low fees. Makes Bitcoins more practical for everyday use. So why these projects, you may ask? Well, I've chosen these because each addresses specific challenges within the blockchain ecosystem, such as scalability, efficiency, and user accessibility. As the crypto space evolves, these projects play a crucial role in driving innovation and adoption. So I'd like to conclude by saying that these are projects that I believe in, that I think are worth investing in. But that doesn't mean you go ahead and do it. I can make no guarantees. This is not a financial class. It's just a little bit of education about cryptocurrencies and how to navigate through this new world on chain. In your case, you can take my advice, but what I would suggest you do is do the research yourself. If they're projects that you believe in and you feel that they have viability, then of course it would be great to invest. But if not, there are plenty of other projects out there. It's all about doing your own research and finding something you believe in. This concludes another episode of Crypto 101. If you enjoyed this content, please feel free to give me a like, a follow, a subscribe, mention me to your friends, and as always, please stay tuned for another episode of Crypto 101 with me, your coach, Gil Golden. Stay tuned. See you later. Bye.